Hey guys, how you doing today? Bitcoin Kid here, April 5th, 2021. Welcome to the channel where I keep you updated on the latest cryptocurrencies and I keep you posted on what I'm doing and investing in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I go over my strategy on how I'm 10x leverage trading on Bybit. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to get the latest videos. All right guys, let's get started. All right, so here we go. We are now seeing Bitcoin coming back from the low weekend, 56,478. Now trading at $58,921. We're seeing that JP Morgan just lowered their Bitcoin prediction from 146,000 to 130,000 due to the dip in gold, which was trading at about 2,000 in August. Now it's about $1,729. They believe that Bitcoin will have to get to 130,000 to match the total private sector investment in gold, and they believe that Bitcoin could adopt the same volatility as gold over the long term, which will make it more attractive to institutional investors. So that's really cool, right? Crypto intelligence company Glassnode reveals massive whale activity during the Bitcoin recent dip. Whales are starting to heavily accumulate Bitcoin since December 2020, as Bitcoin was ready to break the all-time high of $20,000. In the first 3 months of 2021, 170,000 Bitcoins were withdrawn from Coinbase during the Bitcoin surge to between the 28,873 to the current Bitcoin price. Glassnode also reveals that miners are also holding on to their Bitcoin. So what does this mean? This basically means that the less Bitcoin there are available in the exchanges, the bigger the supply is, the demand is going to get for supply, which is going to create a higher price for Bitcoin. So that's why we keep telling you, don't sell your Bitcoin, hold on to your Bitcoin, because the price is just going to go up. It's going to get more difficult for us to be able to get access to Bitcoin as the price gets higher and higher, because all these whales miners are all keeping the Bitcoin for themselves, because they're waiting for it to get to like that $1 million range, and then that's probably when they'll sell, right? So trader Michael Vanderpop also predicts for Bitcoin in the end of this bull cycle, $350,000 to $450,000. Could that be at the end of the year? And ETH is looking at $10,000 to $17,000 by the end of the cycle. All right, guys, stay tuned. I'm going to go over the some prices on Coinbase, and I'll go over to my trading strategy. All right, guys. Thank you. All right, guys, we are in Coinbase. Let's take a look what's happening. Let's go into the prices. Okay, so we're seeing Bitcoin finally breaking 59,000. We're getting back up there again. Ethereum, look at that, 2,118. Not too far away from all-time high. Polkadot, look at this, 43,000. Just $434.94. Getting confused. I'm getting into the 1,000 range. But take a look at this. 33 again, that Michael Vanderpop said Polkadot could probably get in the 250 to 350 range. So this is something to definitely look into. We're seeing other stuff. Cardano, same thing. This is 250 350 range. Cardano's trading at $1.20 right now, so imagine that going to that high. Litecoin catching speed again, 220. Let's see what else we got here. Filecoin, look at this one. Filecoin just about a month ago was trading, look at this, begin at $38. Wow, March 5th, look at this, 40 bucks all the way to 230, like within a month, all the way up to $237. That's amazing. They had talked about that. Filecoin, let's see what other things. Dogecoin's creeping up a little bit. VeChain, what was this about a month ago? Look at this VeChain. We talked about this. It's now 2x, up at 11 cents, 10, 11 cents. What else are they talking about? Aave was going up as well. Let's see what else they got going on here. Algoland. What was this about a month ago? $1.14. It's not too much. Elron Gold. What was this about a month ago? 148. Going up to 186, 168 currently. Chili's, this was another one. Let's see what this was a month ago. 53 cents. Okay, not doing too much. Synthetics, look at synthetics. What was this a month ago? Let's go a little further out. February, $19. That's not doing too much either. Graph. Let's take a look at this one. Let's see what's going on. Graph. And let's take a look at some of Sushi Swap. This hasn't been. This is doing okay. 23. This is actually down. Polygon Matic. Let's see what this is up to. The 1 point was 21 cents, 51 cents, and then let's see what was that? Decentraland. Let's see what this was at. Well, this has probably come down to. It was about 40 cents. Went up to $1.01. It was 119. Alrighty, let's take a look at. Let me show you something else too. What I'm doing. This is the KuCoin app. Right now I have a couple of accounts, a couple coins in here called Dent and Share Token. That's really gone up. Give it a second. Okay, so this is KuCoin right here. Let me kind of show you. This is another exchange. I have, let's see. I'm going to show you. Let's click on withdraw. I have these two coins, Dent, D-E-N-T, and Share Token. So I put about $100 in this one, Dent and Share Token, and let me kind of show you what Dent is trading at right now. Let's see, 1 second. 1 second. USD. This site's a little tricky to find. Let me go back to Coinbase. I'll kind of show you what this is trading at here. Although you can't trade this on Coinbase, but you can let's take a look here. Okay, right now it's about 0.20 cents. I bought it, I believe it was at 1.01 cents. So I basically like a little more than doubled my money. I think I bought it at 0.08 cents. So I kind of doubled my money on this one, so that's really good. Right now, with the amount of shares I have about $205, and the other one is Share as well. So I'm kind of trying to diversify, get some of these other type of coins that I don't really hear too many people talking about, but these are some decent ones. Okay, so now let's get into the trading. Let's see what's going on. Bybit trading. If you don't have a Bybit account, you can check my description. Sign up with that referral code. You get $10. I get $10 up at the channel. But let's take a look at this. $369. That's my balance right now. I'm in a trade right now that I've been kind of since like Friday, maybe Saturday. And Bitcoin, when I got into the trade, I'll show you, was at entry price was $59,298. So we're closing in on it, $59,131, and it had dropped all the way down to like the 56,000 range. If I would have closed the position, I would have lost about $200 because it went down all the way to about 2 something. But I didn't. That's the point. My liquidation price was $54,540. So I was about $1,500 away from getting completely liquidated. But I kept holding because I knew it was going to bounce back up, and which it has, which is good. So that's kind of what I'm waiting for. And we've been seeing the Bitcoin price just go up and down. So we've been looking at this. This is like a 15-minute chart. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart, and we see that. Sorry about this, guys. I'm at work too. We've been seeing these prices kind of go up from the 56,822 range all the way back up here. About, let's see what time this was this morning. Around 11-ish. It started. Probably before that. Around about 9:45, around there, 10 a.m. That's when we started really seeing it go up, and it went all the way back up to the 58, 59,000 range, and it's just been going up and down since. So I'm just waiting. This has been like the last few hours, just waiting for it to go up a little higher so I can close out. Hopefully it'll go up a little bit higher so I can make some money for all the grief that I've been through this weekend. But this is really starting to work for me. I've practically doubled my money in about 2 weeks trading, and I'm just really seeing that as I move forward, hopefully I can get to the $500 range profit, or at least now at $400 range. Every time it goes up 1%, I will make $40. So if I do that, once a day, 30 times a month, I could profit about $1,200, and then just keep moving forward. And then next month, when I trade at 1%, I'll be making $150 per trade, and then just exponentially moving forward. So I'm going to keep recording this every day, and just to show you proof that this is working with the 10x trading. I really like it a lot, and I wish I would have found this out months ago, because this is really the way to catch up to the Bitcoin amount. I figured, just with my calculation, I can hopefully, that's why I want to wait and see, but maybe 4, 5, 6 months I can maybe buy a Bitcoin, from my trades, as long as everything kind of goes accordingly, a $50,000-$60,000 Bitcoin in the next 4 to 6 months. So that would be great off a $200 investment. So as long as I keep making at 1% a day, and I keep accumulating, we can see that, $50,000-$60,000 Bitcoin being purchased, or gained through this app. So, but we'll keep you posted. We'll see as soon as we start getting into the next level. It's only been 2 weeks, guys, but I have doubled my money in 2 weeks. So we'll keep it up. But I'll keep you guys posted, and we'll move forward from there. All right, guys.